In this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable IMAP on Zoho Mail. So first things first, before anything else, if you already have a Zoho Mail, you can just go to mail.zoho.com and sign in with your Zoho credentials. But if you don't have an account yet, you can go to zoho.com/mail, click sign up for free, choose Zoho Mail free for personal use or a business plan if needed, enter your name, email, and set a password, verify your email, and you're signed in. Now, once you're signed in, you land on your Zoho Mail inbox, just like this one. So, in your Zoho Mail inbox, you just have to go to top right corner where you will be able to see the gear icon right here. You just have to click on this, and the dashboard of mail setting will appear. So, under this dashboard, you just have to go to the search icon and type email forwarding. Now you just have to click on that. And once it's open, you just have to go to this section of IMAP and click on this. Now you just have to locate the IMAP access and make sure that this is toggled on. This makes the IMAP access enabled. And you'll now see server settings like IMAP server name, port number, or etc. that you can use to connect Zoho Mail to external apps, which is this ones. Now you just have to make sure that you save all the process, and IMAP is now enabled. You can connect Zoho Mail to email apps like Outlook, Thunderbird, or your mobile device. So you've enabled IMAP in Zoho Mail in just a couple of minutes. Now your Zoho Mail can sync across all your favorite devices and apps. So that's all there is today. Hope we help.